Boom. It's that simple, y'all. That's simple.
Get dressed up, you take hours. Baby girl, you know you can do whatever. You got power.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel, LifeAsDe'j. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all not just one way, but 2 easy ways to apply lashes. If you don't know how to put on lashes, don't worry, I got y'all, because who wanna go around looking like a naked mole rat, baby? Like, this is not what we're gonna do. So I'm about to hop right into the video. If you not used to wearing lashes and you don't know how to put them on, I wouldn't suggest going to buy the thickest mink lashes that you can find if you just practicing. So I got y'all covered. These are the Kiss #1 lashes. They are very, very natural, and we are going to be using these today. So the first way I'm going to show y'all is just simply applying the lashes, like no other product, just lashes. And I like to use hair glue. Look, don't come under my video talking about, oh, hair glue is not for lashes, because it is, period. Like, lash glue, y'all, I don't like lash glue because it just, to me, it's too harsh. It's too harsh, and then it's just wet and it don't really stick. I don't like lash glue. So normally I would use the 30-second hair glue, but this is almost gone, so I'm going to be using this hair glue today. What we want to do is take out the lashes, of course. And when you take out lashes, it can be a little tricky just because it got like a adhesive on it to make it stick to the actual pack. So just make sure you're careful when you're taking off your lashes out the pack. And then what I like to do when I have my lash is to just like curl it together a little bit, just so it's not so straight. So then I'm gonna put my tweezers in the middle of the lash. This is very, very important. Put your tweezers in the middle of your eyelash. When your tweezers are in the middle, you have a lot more control over what you're doing rather than try to place each side down. So I'm gonna just take the hair glue and put a thin, okay? Not thick, because we don't wanna have just straight a black line. So we're gonna put a thin line of hair glue on our lash. Y'all see how thin this line is? Let me show y'all. Y'all ready? This is when we apply. So I'm gonna just get my mirror. This is why I say put the tweezers in the middle of the lash, because when you put your lashes on, you're gonna place it in the middle first, just to have more control over your lashes. So we're gonna place it in the middle. And when you place it in the middle, everything else just kind of glides together. So you're gonna place it in the middle. Then take the front, place that down, take the back, and we're gonna place that down. And then you just fix it accordingly. That is how you place your lashes. Boom. When you place your lashes in the middle first, everything else just kind of comes together. So that's why if you try to put the front on first, you got the back moving and wiggling. And then if you try to put the back on first, you got the front moving and wiggling, and then you just mess up. So it's easier to hold your lash in the middle and place it in the middle. Just always think middle. And I use tweezers and not this little thing. These are tweezers too, but I do not like these tweezers just because they so big and thick. So I use regular tweezers. Now I'm gonna show y'all the second way to put on lashes, and this is if you can't get your lashes close to the lash line as you want it, and you wanna get it super close, because that's how you make it look natural. But if you can't do that, don't even trip, because I got you covered, period. So today, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. eyeliner. What eyeliner does is just create an illusion that your lashes is close to, because if you can't get it that close, then eyeliner is already black, so you won't really see where it's at. So I'm gonna just create a wing and then put my lash on. If you don't wanna make a wing, then that's fine. You can just put it like right on the perimeter of your eye. So I always just like to curl them together. We're gonna take the lash, put the lash in the middle, just like last time. I'm gonna put a thin layer of hair glue. If you're just starting to put on lashes, this is one of the easiest ways, because you have a guide to where to place the lash. So if you mess up, it won't be you know, too bad. So middle of the lash, I can't stress that enough. And you're gonna place your eyelash in the middle. Boom. And everything else just kind of flows together once you have it in the middle. And you're gonna put the end. I switch what I put down first and the end of the front, depending on what I'm on. So you're just gonna put that side down first. Then you're gonna take the front and put the front down. I'm gonna just press these lashes down to make sure they stick. When you have a guide like the eyeliner, it's way easier. Lashes do take practice just like everything else. It's gonna be hard, or it might seem hard the first time, but just keep trying to put them on. You know, you'll get better. And this is the simplest way. Like, I used to try to do what other people did and like place it down like that. Like, that's how my sister put on lashes. She take both ends and try to stick it down. But honestly, that's just doing a whole lot. And having both my hands in my face like that, I'm bound to mess up. So this is the easiest way that I can tell y'all how to put on lashes. And this is the first way with no eyeliner, and this is the second way with eyeliner. I really hope this video helped y'all out and that y'all try to put on lashes this way, because it's so super simple. If y'all want a tutorial on how to do eyeliner, just comment that down below and I would definitely create one for y'all. And make sure you subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Comment down below and let me know if this video helped y'all. Don't forget to like. So I just want to thank y'all for watching and stay tuned for my next video. All right, now I'm finna either put eyeliner on this eye or take eyeliner off, because I don't want to be walking around with two different eyes. And then, oops, I didn't drop my lash. Boom, boom, boom. Bam, bam, bam. Easy turkey and ham. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't even talk. Can't even talk. What is it called? But this is simple, easy. We all gonna be cute. You know, like, hey girl, I like your lashes. Thanks. They just told me I gotta put them on. Okay, period.